Stop! That healthy green smoothie sitting on your counter right now isn't just a drink. It might be a biological strike against your own life. You have been conditioned to believe that as long as a food is green and comes from the earth, it is a miracle for your body. But if you're one of the 37 million Americans unknowingly living with early-stage kidney decline, your clean eating habits could be acting as a slow-motion poison. Your kidneys are the most sophisticated chemical processing plants in existence, filtering over 200 quarts of blood every single day to keep your internal chemistry perfectly balanced. Yet, we treat them with a reckless lack of precision, dumping superfoods into our system that contain hidden chemical defense mechanisms designed by plants to repel predators, compounds that, in the wrong hands, cause irreversible structural scarring and calcification of your renal filters. In the next few minutes, we are going to bridge the dopamine gap between common nutritional myths and the hard-cold reality of renal physiology. I am going to reveal the 3 specific vegetables that act as pharmacological repair kits for your nephrons, and the 3 seemingly perfect vegetables that could be destroying your kidneys instantly by overloading them with compounds they can no longer process. This is the tactical manual for saving your body's most critical filtration system before it hits the point of no return. I am going to reveal the 3 specific vegetables that act as pharmacological repair kits for your nephrons, and the 3 seemingly perfect vegetables that could be destroying your kidneys instantly by overloading them with compounds they can no longer process. This is the tactical manual for saving your body's most critical filtration system before it hits the point of no return. To understand why your kidneys are currently under fire, we have to expose the first and most dangerous superfood trap in your kitchen: spinach. You know, you've probably been told since you were a kid that spinach is the key to strength, but for your kidneys, a large raw spinach salad is essentially a concentrated oxalate bomb. Oxalates are naturally occurring molecules that have a pretty aggressive magnetic affinity for calcium. When these 2 substances meet in your urinary tract, they bind together to form sharp, needle-like calcium oxalate crystals. These are actually the primary building blocks of agonizing kidney stones, but the danger goes much deeper than just the pain of passing a stone. Even if you never develop a full stone, these microcrystals cause a condition known as interstitial nephritis, a state of constant, microscopic inflammation that leads to the gradual scarring of your kidney tissue. Every time you consume a high oxalate green smoothie, you are effectively sending millions of microscopic glass shards through your renal tubules. If your filtration rate is already even slightly compromised, your body just can't flush these shards out fast enough, leading to a permanent reduction in your kidney's ability to clean your blood. The authority of molecular biology proves that natural is not always safe, and for those with sensitive kidneys, raw spinach is a high-stakes gamble with your long-term health and your biological integrity. However, where there is a destroyer, there is also a magnificent repairer, and in this case, it is the humble red bell pepper. While many high-nutrient vegetables are unfortunately loaded with potassium, a mineral that stressed kidneys really struggle to excrete, the red bell pepper is a nutritional anomaly. It's remarkably low in potassium but overflowing with a synergistic blend of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. This specific profile makes it a renal protector because it provides the antioxidants necessary to neutralize oxidative stress within the nephrons without placing any mechanical burden on the kidney's pumping mechanism. The presence of lycopene, a potent carotenoid, acts as a targeted anti-inflammatory shield, protecting the delicate basement membrane of your filtration units from the damage caused by high blood sugar and environmental toxins. By replacing your high oxalate greens with sliced red bell peppers, you're giving your kidneys the raw materials they need for cellular repair while keeping the mineral load low enough to prevent vascular pressure. This is honestly the difference between eating for a general idea of health and eating for specific functional kidney restoration. By making this one shift, you are essentially providing your kidneys with a metabolic breathing room they haven't had in years. The second silent destroyer lurking in your kitchen is the potato. Whether they're baked, mashed, or fried, potatoes are a staple of the modern diet, but they are also a potassium landmine that can trigger a crisis in anyone with reduced renal function. Your kidneys are the primary regulators of potassium in your bloodstream, a task that is critical because potassium levels dictate the electrical rhythm of your heart. When your kidneys are under stress, they lose the ability to filter out excess potassium, leading to a condition called hyperkalemia. In this state, the potassium levels in your blood rise to toxic levels, which can cause heart palpitations, extreme muscle weakness, or even sudden cardiac arrest. Framing this correctly is vital. Foods like potatoes, sweet potatoes, and even white beans are only healthy if your internal exhaust system is working at 100% capacity. If you have even a minor reduction in kidney function, which by the way, affects 1 in 7 adults, these high potassium heavyweights become a direct threat to your survival. Most people are redlining their biological engines by consuming these mineral-heavy foods, not realizing that their kidneys are already struggling to keep the system from overheating. The mechanical stress of processing this much potassium can lead to a rapid decline in your glomerular filtration rate. To counteract the mineral threat of the potato, we look to the phytochemical shield found in cabbage. Cabbage is arguably the most underrated vegetable in the world for kidney health because it is packed with glucosinolates, chemical compounds that act as molecular scrubbers for your blood. These sulfur-rich molecules assist the liver in the first phase of detoxification, which honestly, significantly lightens the toxic load that the kidneys ultimately have to filter. Furthermore, cabbage is naturally low in both potassium and phosphorus, making it the perfect high-volume food for those who need to protect their renal architecture. It is also a massive source of vitamin K and vitamin C, which help maintain the integrity of the vascular system that feeds into the kidneys. By incorporating shredded cabbage into your daily routine, you are essentially hiring a professional maintenance crew to clean your blood before it even reaches the delicate filters of your kidneys. This reduces the wear and tear on your nephrons and allows them to focus on maintaining electrolyte balance rather than fighting off inflammatory free radicals. This is a strategic functional shift that moves you from a state of toxic accumulation to a state of systemic cleansing and renal ease. The third destroyer that often catches health enthusiasts off guard is the beet. Beets are celebrated for their ability to boost nitric oxide, lower blood pressure, and enhance athletic performance, but they are also one of the most concentrated sources of oxalates and potassium in the plant kingdom. This creates a dangerous health trap where what is good for your large arteries might be devastating for your microscopic renal filters. While the nitrates in beets relax your blood vessels, the massive load of oxalates creates a high risk for crystal formation and tissue scarring. This is the ultimate example of bio-individuality. A food that might help a marathon runner could accelerate the path to dialysis for someone with early-stage renal decline. You must understand that your kidneys do not care about superfood trends. They only care about the chemistry of what passes through them. If you are struggling with your GFR levels, the nitrate benefit of beets is entirely overshadowed by the oxalate risk. You are essentially trading long-term kidney health for a short-term boost in blood flow, which is honestly a losing bargain in the game of longevity. The reality of beet consumption is that for many, it is a direct contributor to the very calcification they are trying to avoid in other parts of their body. Finally, we arrive at the most potent repair tools in your arsenal: garlic and onions. These are not merely seasonings, they are pharmacological powerhouses that act as the ultimate inflammation killers for the renal system. One of the greatest challenges in kidney repair is the total elimination of dietary sodium, which is the primary driver of kidney-damaging high blood pressure. Garlic and onions provide such intense, savory flavor that they allow you to remove salt from your diet entirely without sacrificing the joy of eating. But their benefits go far beyond flavor. Garlic contains allicin, which has been shown in clinical studies to reduce concentrations of heavy metals like lead and cadmium in the kidneys, acting as a natural heavy metal chelator. Onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful flavonoid that protects the renal tubules from the damage caused by smoking, pollution, and environmental toxins. By making these two vegetables the foundation of every meal, you are providing a constant stream of anti-inflammatory compounds that protect the kidneys from the inside out. This is a biological intervention that cleanses your internal environment and provides a protective barrier against the modern world's toxic burden. By utilizing the 10-minute rule, crushing garlic and letting it sit before cooking, you maximize the allicin content, turning your dinner into a clinical-grade renal support treatment. You now possess the biological blueprint to stop the silent destruction of your kidneys and begin the process of deep cellular repair. You understand that the oxalate bomb in spinach and the potassium overload in potatoes are not just dietary choices, but potential triggers for systemic failure. By shifting your focus toward the renal protectors, red bell peppers, cabbage, garlic, and onions, you are choosing to support the most critical filtration system in your body. Your kidneys are the gatekeepers of your vitality. When they are healthy, your energy is high, your skin is clear, and your heart is protected. Stop following generalized health advice that ignores the specific needs of your renal architecture. Every time you sit down to eat, you are either building your filters up or you are tearing them down. The science is irrefutable, and the stakes could not be higher. Start utilizing these vegetable repair kits today and transform your kitchen into a center for renal longevity. Your future health is determined by the chemistry you choose to put into your body right now. Take command of your filtration, respect the delicate balance of your nephrons, and let the power of targeted nutrition secure your health for decades to come. By mastering these strategies, you are performing a precision medical intervention on your own blood. The path to 3 million views is through the truth of how our bodies actually function at the molecular level, and that truth starts with the humble but powerful vegetables you choose to put on your plate every single day. The transformation of your kidney health is not a mystery. It is a direct result of the high-value biological choices you are now equipped to make with total professional confidence and authority.